Evening guys, Mike here from Just Car People Things. Wanted to show you a little bit of work we're doing in the Miata. We're letting a coat of wax dry on the exterior of the vehicle right now. And so it's not quite there yet. You can sort of see it getting ready to go. But I wanted to show you something real quick. I got some good Lexol leather cleaner here. And let me tell you, this interior, these seats, they need some love. And you can tell the previous owner liked to drink coffee and drive in a sports car, which is never a good decision. But I just want to show you a little work on just this one bolster. When you get up close to it, you can really see some roughness to it. And I just want to just show you just off the bat what you can do with a clean brush. It looks a little soiled, but it's clean. And then this product. And here you go with the brush. So we're going to agitate this cleaner and foam it, and I just want to do this one panel. Thankfully this Miata is small, and so it's going to be pretty easy to do a couple just the two seats. If you have a minivan and kids, this is going to be a much lengthier job. But I just want to show, just with one pass, just a few minutes of just working at this, and you got to get down into all these little crevices down here, and I'll probably get along this edge a little bit too. Okay, and let's take a crack, and you can see it's starting to dry a little bit. That's your hint to remove it. So you can see that coming off. Just do one pass here with this, and that's what we've removed just from that one pass right there. So if you scrub a little bit too with the microfiber, you'll pull a little more off. And you can see just how much dinge is on these seats. So we're going to go through, we're going to do this to the whole seats, both of them, and just take some time and work them really good. And we'll show you probably the after in a few minutes, and sort of what they might look like now. But I just wanted to get a good picture of what they look like now, how dry they look. You can just see how dry, it's almost like it's sucking it up. So we're going to spray these down and really clean them up good, and then let you see them when they're all done. We're about to put some protectant on them. So this is a cleaner, protectant later. Cheers, guys. Well, all right, guys, I just wanted to show you a quick after shot of the interior. We've done a full wipe down with Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Also done the seats in Meguiar's leather conditioner. These things are really sucking it up. I actually kind of soaked them, and you can see it start to, get sucked into the seat. They're very dry. So I think we're getting close to done here. Had the top up, just still letting that dry out a little bit from the top drain we cleared earlier down there. But just wanted to share a quick kind of after. We're going to vacuum the carpets here and probably call it a day on the detail. The coat of wax is off the car, and man, it's looking pretty good. So with that, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for liking and subscribing. We appreciate you guys having interest in our content. So feel free to drop us a line in the comments, and have a great night.